Yep, he's on there. He's on there. He's just little.
Nice. First pike.
First pike.
Hey, he's not that little.
No, he's not that. So we got everything set up. There we go. First pike, we're probably looking at about a couple pounds anyways.
Okay. Put him back. There you go, bud.
Gone. Hey,
First
we got
fish.
one.
On the board.
Woo. Well, we're just having lunch. Oh, there goes the bell. Ding, ding-a-ling.
Lunchtime bell.
There's my bedroom for the night. Looking through the holes. So there we go. We got a large northern right by the wrench.
What's that?
I'm gonna call him the wrench northern. But you wanna move your bait a tiny little bit?
I think so. Yeah, where do you see what happens?
You don't have the bait on camera though, eh?
Oh, I had it.
This is a little wood burning stove in the... Oh yeah. In the ice hut here. There's Shane. Why are you turning away, Shane?
Because I look like shit.
We all look like shit. Well, we are packing up. I got the tent up, soaked, tired. Took a couple hours to pack up. Weather's not too nice. And the trucks can't even get off the ice. There he goes, he's going. What a shit show. What a shit show, because we wanted to go across the lake, we wanted to fish these better spots. Dragging this thing out there. High centered.